through here?
Lindsay's not crazy. She was faking it.
Maybe. Then again, confessing at her wedding, it's pretty crazy.
I had her dead to rights. It was her only play.
Still, you got to admit, she did the Commonwealth a favor getting rid of Spencer.
So much for due process.
I'm just saying, it's not like she took out a car full of kids.
And with any luck, she's never going to get the chance to.
So you're going to trial?
ASAP.
And you don't think she could get off? Not the great lawyer, the right jury, a couple of high-priced shrinks?
If I don't get a conviction, I really shouldn't have this job.
So do I congratulate you now or after they drag her away?
Nobody's celebrating, Rex.
Bo sure isn't.
Have you seen him?
I stopped by, but he wouldn't talk to me. He's drinking. A lot.
Well, that's what he did when he lost Drew. When he lost Asa.
And now Lindsay.
Go ahead, Rex. Why don't you just say it? You think I did the wrong thing, too.
You're the district attorney. That's your job. You find proof, you have no choice but to follow up on it.
But!
No, but? Nothing. You had to arrest her. It's just sad, that's all. Lindsay's my friend.
So is Bo.
And she was lying to him.
About murder.
Being lied to, no matter what the reason, it's not okay.
So you understand?
It's a lousy situation. But what can you do? Bo needed to know. I just wish somebody would have told me all the things Adriana did before she and I got married.
Oh, please. What world are you living in? You're lucky my Adriana married you. She's a terrific girl.
I never said she wasn't.
So she's not perfect.
That's right. Who is?
If you're smart, you grab your happiness and you're grateful for it. We're here for you, sweetheart.
Ma'am, you can't bring a dog in here.
Of course I can. I spoke to the judge. She loves dogs. Say something encouraging, David. You're so good at that.
You know, you were sort of pushing it when you asked me to wear this T-shirt. You're aware that Spencer was my brother, right? He was a jerk. We're behind you, Lindsay. Go get him.
What?
Thank you for being here. Again. Really means a lot to me.
You're my friend, Lindsay. No matter what.
All rise. The Honorable Judge Shriver presiding. You may be seated.
What do we have, bailiff?
Docket number 4325, Your Honor. People versus Lindsay Rappaport.
Rappaport? I thought we dispensed with that case.
Your Honor, new evidence has come to light proving that Miss Rappaport was in full possession of her faculties when she murdered Spencer Truman.
She was sentenced on these same charges a year ago.
You are absolutely right, Your Honor. Miss Rappaport stands accused of the same crime for a second time. Clear case of double jeopardy.
Jeopardy is not attached in this case. Your Honor, the judge, that was you, issued a directed verdict of not guilty by reason of insanity. There was no trial jury, hence no jeopardy. And furthermore, Ms. Rappaport has admitted her guilt in front of several witnesses, all of whom are ready to come forward and testify at trial. The Commonwealth has ample reason to prosecute, and we are ready to proceed.
I agree with the district attorney. We'll proceed with arraignment.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Will the defendant please rise?
How do you plead, Ms. Rappaport?
Guilty.
What?
I'm done lying. My conscience is clear. I need to start over.
In which case, I order the defendant held without bail until sentencing.
Boo!
Order in the courtroom. Court is adjourned.
All rise.
You sure about this?
Take care of Bo for me. Are you happy? You got me. It took you 10 years, but you got me.
You did this to yourself, Lindsay.
I only have one last question. What are you going to do without me?
Hey, Rex. Did you know?
What, that she was going to plead guilty? No.
He didn't seem very surprised.
Well, she's changed, Nora. Ever since Jen died, I don't know, even killing Spencer, she did that to protect Marcy.
Well, that didn't work out very well.
All I'm saying is that she's changed. When you confronted her at the wedding, the old Lindsay would have fought back. Said that RJ's note was bogus. She copped to it like she had to get it off her chest.
So you think that she's grown a conscience?
Maybe. Maybe she's lost too much. Losing Bo, she just gave up.
I want to do something for him, and I know that you, well, I'm the last person he wants to see. Could you?
I'm headed there now.
Thank you.
Rex, is the hearing over?
She pled guilty. Bo? What's going on? Where's Bo Buchanan?
Gone.